Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. We're going to try and get you through this Monday morning. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together we are Backyard Musings.
Yep, and we are in Christmas week, so I hope everything's going well for everybody. They got their shopping done. If they did shopping, they're getting ready to do family and friends and have a great Christmas. So here we go.
That's Baba right there.
There's Baba.
Scientists are using CRISPR to fast track the domestication of a wild fruit. For roughly 10,000 years, farming communities have improved crops by saving seeds from plants that produce better harvests. By repeatedly choosing varieties with desirable traits such as larger size, better flavor, greater resilience, people gradually shape the fruits and vegetables that are common in diets today. Most modern produce reflects centuries or even millennia of this slow, intentional selection. Would you like to know more?
Researchers at Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory are now exploring a faster approach to crop improvement using the gene editing technology CRISPR. That's CRISPR. Plant biologists have targeted a small tomato relative known as the goldenberry.
Not a dingleberry?
Not a dingleberry, but a goldenberry. Okay. Their work suggests it may be possible to make this fruit easier to cultivate, potentially supporting large-scale production in the United States and other regions. More broadly, the CRISPR-modified crops could help scientists rapidly develop plants with improved resistance to emerging diseases, insect pests, and dry conditions. Okay,
I love it.
Fooling with Mother Nature.
Golden berries have been eaten for at least several centuries in Colombia and Peru, dating back to the days of the Incan Empire. The fruit is comparable in size to many of the most popular berries consumed today. By using CRISPR, you open up paths to new and more resilient food options, said Blaine Fitzgerald, the greenhouse technician in CSHL Zachary Littman Lab. Blaine is the greenhouse technician. Stop.
Come on now. Come on.
Stop.
He didn't name himself. He can't help it.
Quote, in an era, but he can change it. He can go to court and change it. In an era of the effects of the global ice age and increasing population size, bringing innovation to agricultural production is going to be a huge path forward.
The Littman Lab studies plants in the nightshade family. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but we're going to find out, which includes major crops such as tomatoes, eggplants, and potatoes, and lesser-known species like goldenberries. Primarily grown in South America, goldenberries are gaining popularity due to their nutritional value and unique mix of sweet and tart flavors. You might have seen them in your local supermarket. I don't recall that.
They got them at Sprouts.
What's that?
You think they got them at Sprouts? Sprouts carries those exotic fruits.
Do you shop at Sprouts?
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
Absolutely.
I buy one thing at Sprouts. One thing.
What is it?
It's some jam.
They've got good prices on fruits and vegetables, and they're fresh, man.
Okay.
All right.
And they got one in Apple Valley now.
They do. I think they're going for a second one. Yet, goldenberry growers still rely on bushy crops that are not really domesticated, said Miguel Santo Domingo Martinez, the Littman Lab postdoc who led the study. These massive sprawling plants in an agricultural setting are cumbersome for harvest, Blaine explained.
Is that the end? I thought it was Fitzgerald.
You go next.
You said Fitzgerald. All right. Previously, the Littman Lab used CRISPR to target genes in tomatoes and another lesser-known relative called ground cherry to make the plants more compact for urban farming. Building off this work, the team edited similar genes in goldenberries. The resulting crops grew 35% shorter, making planting in denser areas possible and maintenance easier. Next, Littman's lab searched for goldenberries with the tastiest fruits. This involved eating hundreds of them, walking a field, and trying fruit off every plant in a row. Fitzgerald said with a laugh. Really?
I know how tedious. Blaine got to do the testing. After breeding several generations of the most delicious and compact goldenberry crops, the team had 2 distinct lines ripe for production. While these plants produce slightly smaller fruits, the next steps will involve using CRISPR to emphasize other desirable traits.
Quote, we could try to target fruit size or disease resistance, Santo Domingo said. We can use these modern tools to domesticate undomesticated crops. The team now hopes to seek additional regulatory approval for growers to get seeds and start producing the newly developed varieties. So there you go. Never heard of it. Never heard of the
Love it. Let's keep getting this stuff out of CRISPR. Make the plants bigger, tastier, easier to maintain.
And more desirable.
Yep. All right, folks. Thanks for joining us.
See you this afternoon.